Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today on Tuesday, March the 19th, 2024, we have three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, we have also an additional. Yes, the additional is back. Yesterday we have no additional. But today we have in this additional the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two Jigsaw Sudoku, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyber Block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. News of today, well, I heard that Putin has won the election. President election. The next 6 years, he will be, the president of, he stays as president of Russia. Yeah, another 6 years. Well. Anyway, let me start with the first one. Yeah. The first puzzle is a 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku. And this will be number well 8214. 8214. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well. 8214. Yeah, I need some heavy things here. Well. Let me put this away. I need this one. Okay. Alright. 8214. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. Ay. Drop something. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 1 more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is really a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left of 7 should be there. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left of 7 should be there. Alright. And now, let me see. Cannot continue with 7. How about the 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left of 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left of the 2 in this big square should be there. Then 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have 2 in the middle row. No 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 2 in the third column. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Alright. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the middle column. So the column next, I only place level 4. Shoot them. Need a 5 here. How about we need a 2 in this column? Well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this column. Shoot them. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 5 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. Well, need a 5 here. 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Shoot it in. 6, 6. Need a 5 here, and need a 1 here. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have 1 and a 6 in this column. First column. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Oh! Then I made a mistake here. Yeah, 5, 5, 5. Ooh. Why did I place a 9 here? This should be a 5. Cannot believe this. Yeah. 9, 9, need a 9 here. Yep, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 in the first column, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, why did I place the 9 here? Whoa. We have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 1. Then 6, 1, and 8. 6, 1, and 8. Come on. Come on, 1, 6, and 1, 6, and 3. Need a 3. Yeah. Thinking. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6. Ooh. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this row are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Well, I know the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes in this big square. So I cannot place the 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Well, I know the 8 should be in one of these 3 boxes in this big square. So I cannot place the 8 in this box. The 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. So these three missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 168, 168. That means one digit left in this column. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8, 9 is missing. Yeah, 9 is missing. Need a 9 here. Oh, need a 9 there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only place left for the 9 should be there. So one digit left in the middle row for the mouse. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. So the 1 and the 6 are left here, the 1 and the 6. Okay. Here also 1 and the 6. 1, 6, and I need an 8 here. Yeah. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4, 4. 7 in this last column, third column. 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 6 could be here or there. Yeah. Let me mark those. Then 638, 638. I need a 1 here. I need a 7. 7 are used. About a 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Need a 2 here. 1, 6, 3. 6, 3. Well. Well, these 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 in that column, no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So in the row between second row, the only 2 places left for 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers, the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. So we have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. 3 and 6. 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. From the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 6 in them all. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. So here, 6. No, 1 and the 6. 1 and... Oh, wait. 1 and the 6 are missing. 1, 6 and the 8 are missing. We have here 2 missing numbers in this big square. For number 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 and a 6. Well, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And here we have 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Come on, come on, come on. 1 box left in this column for number, I believe the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So come next. The only place level 8 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. So in 60 minutes. Well, I talk too much. But yeah, definitely a 2 stars. And faster than 50 minutes. Oh no, faster than 20 minutes. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.